Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the newly renovated Port Royal Street. Here you can see Port Royal Street is now 6 lanes. The road was recently renovated and that seawall built on the right. Very nicely done. It was, and there is a on the right there is what you call a boardwalk. And where you see that blue building on the right, that's a parking facility where persons can park and walk along the boardwalk and do fishing, those kind of things. On the left is the GP prison or General Penitentiary. And on the right, that's the Kingston Harbor. So this project is part of the rehabilitation of downtown Kingston. And this project was actually the Port Royal Street Revetment project. Alright, we're going to turn around and give you guys a better view. The project is actually about 99% finished. It's only the street lamps that are left to put in. So though on the Palisades strip a boardwalk was put in and it's used a lot. Almost every day people walk on it and go jogging, and so that was the idea behind putting the boardwalk down here. They're trying to, and they put it right beside the Kingston Harbor, so they're trying to how would you say now, to rehabilitate downtown Kingston, so they're putting in all this infrastructure. Okay, so here you can see, so this is a Raytown area now. Here you can see this is a parking lot. And you can see how nice the road looks from this angle. Straight ahead, that's the Kingston Harbor. They put in the retaining wall and shored up the shoreline. Or reinforce the shoreline, I should say. So here you can see it's a very nice road. Now on the left by the wall is where the street lamps are going to go, and that's the only thing left for the project to be complete. Everything else is finished. Now persons have often asked, why don't they move the prison? It's such an eyesore now, and it's sitting down on prime real estate literally on the coast of Jamaica, right on the harbor, but it's a cost. It will be too expensive to move it. Although that prison is hundreds of years old, you can tell by the bricks on the outside it was built a long time ago. But it still would be too expensive to build a new prison. On the left they're painting the wall. Very nicely done, I must say. Of course in Jamaica people just stop anywhere in the middle of the road and do whatever they want. It's just an example. Okay, now this is a very nice view of the coastline. See all the skyline, sorry. You see all the buildings. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Foreign Affairs building. And if we were to go left, we would continue on Port Royal Street until we eventually meet up with Marcus Garvey Drive. But we're going to go back around. So we're actually going on to Harbour Street now. So at this intersection, if we turn left, we'd go on to South Camp Road. If we go straight, we go on to Port Royal Street. So we're back on Port Royal Street now. And this is the central Kingston area, more specifically Raytown. On the right is the Raytown fishing village. And the fishermen go out and catch a fish, and then where you see that red building, that's usually where they sell it. So we're now on Michael Manley Boulevard. On the left is the entrance to Manley Meadows. Actually the Norman Manley Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.